Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to look at the importance of doing ME, Master of Engineering. Okay, the reason why I take this video is like some people do ME immediately after their BE. That is fine, well and good, as long as you ensure that you just don't go into a professor job, right? Because most of the time when you do ME, people just think that they will enter into teaching and they don't think about industry. So that is not the right way. So you should always consider entering into the industry, because the postgraduate people are much skilled and more needed for the industry. Okay, this is just as a short note, right? But in case if you are not able to do ME in full time rightly after your BE, you should always consider doing ME, even if you are working and you are a BE graduate and you started working after a BE, which is the most of the time that is the case. So even in that case also you must consider doing ME. So ME, the advantage, there are many advantages of doing ME. One of the advantages, as we all know, BE is like a very generic degree, right? Even though you do in computer science or electronics, again it is very generic in that particular domain, right? But if you take ME, you will become more specialized, right? You will become an expert in a particular field. For example, you may do ME in communication systems, you may do ME in artificial intelligence, or you may do ME in cybersecurity. This makes you a specialist, this makes you an expert. So that is the main reason why you need to do an ME, right? So instead of becoming a generic electronics engineer, you'll become a specialized electronics engineer or specialized computer science engineer and so on, okay, in a particular specialized area. So this is one of the advantage. Another advantage, doing ME is like nowadays, in case of the IT jobs, especially in any industry, so it's kind of unstable, right? In case you may end up losing job, or in that case, ME will be very helpful for you to go for a lecturer degree, at least as a temporary degree, to join an engineering college as a professor or lecturer for some time until you find another job, or you can take it as your career, right? Because teaching is always one of the best ways you can give back to the community. So yeah, that is the another small note for you, right? Because that is why you need to do ME as early as possible, because in the future it may not be possible, you may not get time, because it takes around 3 months if you want to do a part-time ME. So you need to keep that in mind. Another important thing is, like, if you want to go into teaching and if you want to serve back the community, then ME is the best option, because without ME you cannot become a lecturer, which is the minimum requirement. So this also you need to keep in mind. Therefore, teaching ME is mandatory. Thank you.